Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm super excited. Not that I'm ever not excited to do a video, but today for the first time ever I'm doing I received a private swap. I have never done a swap with one person. I've always done organized swaps and I haven't done that many. So the swapping thing is still kind of new to me, but Anna Colby, who commented on my video, I reached out and said, oh, do you want to do an embellishment box with me? And she said, sure. Well, I am not kidding you guys. It was probably less than 2 weeks and it was done and shipped, and I am shamefully not even done with mine for her, and it was here. So I'm going to do the unveiling, which I've never done either. So bear with me for the crinkling and everything else. It doesn't bother me, but I know it bothers other people. So it came in the mail yesterday and I know nothing, absolutely nothing. So this is how it came. And I'll grab scissors and we'll start in the back, because usually I am worse than a Christmas child and rip everything open and don't ever feel, oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're just going to talk that it's got green, like yummy mint green, and I can see the yumminess through this bubble paper. I can't even talk. I'll try to keep the screaming and the hysteria down to a minimum. Oh, no. Okay, we'll just get rid of it. Oh, look how sweet that is. Oh my gosh. Look at the yumminess, you guys. Oh, it's a doily and it's tulle that has glitter in it. Oh, and she used another doily here. Friend. Oh, and she wrote something in here. Oh, Anna, I know I'm going to love it. From the outside, it's gorgeous. So she used really thick washi tape, and it's silver. Oh, it's so pretty. And then she wrapped it in this mint green tulle. If I didn't say that, can we just take a minute and just take, the beauty of it. Oh, and then she used silver, like twine, except that it's really pretty. So it's not really twine, maybe thread. Gorgeous. Oh, I love the doilies. And then she used the Tim Holtz punch. That's the branches. And she looked like she tipped it in pink to match. Then she used the cute little beads that say something friend. Isn't that sweet? All right, let's move the scissors because we want to pay all the attention on the box. Okay. Oh, so sweet. Okay, so precious. Okay, la la. Oh my gosh, where to start? Okay, we'll start with what's open. Pink and green tags that are so darling. I love this paper. Oh my gosh. And look at the pink polka dots. Okay, can we just talk about polka dots for a minute? I have 2 daughters, and I loved dressing one in pink, and I loved polka dots. The other one got purple. And I have nothing against purple, but pink fit her personality totally. And I love the mint green. And it's, you guys, it's that soft glitter, so the texture is built into the paper, so nothing is going to come off of it. Oh, and then she used some more of this yumminess that she used in here to hold it together. I love it. Oh, yay. Oh my gosh. Oh, look it. Bling. Look at how cute those bikes are. Oh my gosh, did you put the little blings on the wheels? Look at how cute those bikes are. So everything for the bikes has a different kind of bling. Oh, I love them. Oh, precious meter, off the precious meter. Oh, and look at the beautiful teal. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh. This is just chocked full of goodness. More polka dots. Love it. I don't know how you knew I loved polka dots. I did not even tell you that. Look at those bows. Oh, they're perfect. Perfect bows. Oh, and I love quotes. Oh, looks like maybe some of Tim Holtz creativity quotes. Love it. Oh my gosh, I told her I loved The Wizard of Oz, and it looks like the Wizard of Oz house. Dee, 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 dee. Oh my gosh. Oh, and she made me, look at how pretty these are, you guys. Look, oh, Anna, they're beautiful. For some of the TNs I make, gorgeous. And you know, I do mini scrapbooks too, and these are so nice, but because the scrapbooks take me so long, a lot of times I don't add these because I don't have the time, but so nice to be gifted them. I can put them in. Love them. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I am, like I said, a kid at Christmas, so we have to put everything back in there all nicey neat. So it looks all pretty again. It won't be as pretty as it was when you put it in there, but I love to have it all nice and neat, so then when people say, what did you get? I can show them everything all nicey nice. Okay, those I'll leave out. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's only the first compartment, and I'm like hysterical. Oh, blue and white beads. What does she have underneath here? Oh, that's so, oh, nope, there is something in there. Okay. So look at those. Oh, love it. Look at how pretty that is. Doesn't it look romantic? I've been married 33 years, but I'm telling you, I'd go back and have those colors as my wedding in a second. Although I eloped, so I didn't even get to pick the colors, which is fine. Oh, stop it. Stop the madness. Look at how gorgeous these stick pins are. Oh my gosh. OMG. Loving those, Anna. Those are gorgeous. Ah, and I love it. You are a girl after my own heart. Look at, she put stoppers on them. Yippee. So whenever you use them, you can put the stopper on it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Gorgeousness. Oh my gosh, I'm going to run out of adjectives to use, so I'm sorry if I'm going to drive you people nuts with the OMG and the gorgeousness and precious meter. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I'm so glad you gave me some of this. I don't have any teeny tiny gingham, and I don't have any mint green grosgrain. Love it. And I don't really have anything this beautiful. This is gorgeous. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so now, I'm not gonna lie, this has been catching my eye since I opened the box. Oh my gosh, the handmade flowers with these glass gems on them. Are they not beautiful? Okay, those are stunners. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. These definitely can be used in my scrapbooks that I make, my mini scrapbooks. Oh, and then she put oh, look at those soft pink ones. And then teeny tiny, more polka dots. I think I'm gonna cry. I love polka dots, and they're teeny tiny ones. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love it. Oh, you guys, this is like Christmas. Okay, I know, I'm sorry. I'm just, you guys, do I see crowns? I think I see crowns. There's crowns in here. Oh, okay. My big dream is to be Glinda someday, travel by Bubble, and if they ever make the Glinda costume in plus sizes, I am there with the crown. Look at those. Oh my gosh, where did you get this die cut? And then to have this in the green. Oh, I'm in love. Oh my God. And then green bows. Oh my gosh. Look, you guys. What else? Oh my gosh, what else could you have done? These are cute dies too, the little pink tags. Oh my gosh. And other, she gave me the die cuts for more crowns. Oh my gosh. Crown City. And more little tags. Oh. Oh, and okay, so the first piece of jewelry my husband ever gave me was a teeny tiny little heart ring. So I have this thing about hearts. Well, and he proposed on Valentine's Day, so that's another thing. So hearts and arrows are my thing too. Oh, Anna. Oh my gosh. You totally got me, girl. You nailed it. I mean, if this were all you gave me, this is perfect. So, I mean, I don't even know if I have to go any further, but I know everyone else is like, come on, Laura, get with it. Get the rest of the box done. Oh my gosh, did you make these? These must have been white, and then she colored the other half. What a great idea to do your own colored if you were doing like something like an ombre effect. Oh, how gorgeous are those, guys? Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, great idea. I guess Anna does some mixed media, and when you see some of her stuff on her channel, you guys will be following her. She is so super talented. Oh, she does some wonderful stuff. And I've never done a video. As you know, my videos are few and far between, which I'll try to do more, you guys, especially since people have been so kind to follow me. But her stuff she does, she shows and stuff. Oh, thank you. Look at cute, cute, cute sequins. And the mint, loving it. Loving, loving, loving it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Everything is wrapped so sweet too. You did everything to make sure that nothing got harmed in the transit here. So sweet, Anna. But anyway, as I was saying, Anna does some beautiful work in mixed media, but she's got beautiful videos too, where she shows you stuff. And yeah, I'm going to try to do a make and take kind of, not make and take, you're not going to take it anywhere, well, unless you're going to give it to somebody, but to do a video to show people how to do stuff. Okay, anyway, it's not about me. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh, and could you, okay, like, look, could you find anything that matched any better? How perfect was that? Thank you. That was just perfect. But when I see other people do theirs on how to make stuff, I get nervous because I'm like, I would talk through the whole thing and you'd never learn a thing. You'd never learn a thing from me. Oh, oh, come on. Come on. She did a little banner with my name. Are you kidding me? Okay, now how am I ever going to compete with this? Look. Move this and move this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh, Anna. How much time did it take you to do all this? Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, and I don't have anything in my craft area. I just work in like a little alcove of our family room downstairs. And I'm going to be moving to a different room upstairs. But I don't have anything that has my name on it. No one's ever made me anything because I don't know if you guys find this, but when you're a crafter, a lot of people are like, oh, well, she can make it. I'm not going to make her anything. I'll just buy her something. So to get something that actually somebody made that has my name on it, that is huge. Oh my gosh, Anna, that is gorgeous. Okay, we're just going to leave that out for a second and we're all going to enjoy that while I look at the last little compartment. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I don't know how mine's ever going to compare to yours. Oh, and white flowers. I love it. I don't think I have any white flowers. And I love the idea of white flowers, but I never buy them because I'm like, what am I going to do with white? They're, you know, and now that I've seen what you did with your flowers, I'm like kind of excited that I could maybe try something like that. And look at little gems. Ooh, I was just looking, it's so funny. I was just looking at these at Hobby Lobby yesterday and I'm like, you know what? I don't want 1,000 of them. So a package like this is perfect to put in the centers of flowers and stuff, because I'm sure this will last me a while. But to have a big, huge thing, I would never have bought it. But now I can put them in there. I can put them, I mean, you've used them beautifully. Gosh. And oh my gosh, she made another flower. You guys, see how talented this woman is? You have got to go over to her channel. And 2 little sweet doilies. Oh, Anna, wow, over the top. Congratulations for being the best embellishment maker. I think I am probably the luckiest crafter today, or ever in the embellishment swap. I'm not sure that mine ever will stack up to yours. Holy cow, it's like a box of heaven, of pink and green heaven. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Thank you so, so very much. I just cannot even thank you enough for taking the time and the effort and the love and the creativity to put this all together for me. I just absolutely love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then can I just add one other little plug here, because this is the last time I'm going to get to say something before the end, and I want to make sure that Anna already put a comment, but on a different note, thanking Anna, loving all of Anna's stuff, and sending you over to Anna's channel, that if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have not left a comment, you have till midnight tonight, Thursday, to leave a comment and subscribe to be part of my giveaway. Tomorrow I do the drawing for my giveaway, and I'm giving away also an embellishment box because I reached 100 subscribers, and it was because of people like Anna with nice comments and with her coming over to my channel that I reached my goal of 100. So Anna, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kindness and for your speediness of getting this to me. Again, I love everything. Oh my gosh, but I have to say, I think my favorite is my banner. Thank you so, so much. It's like 9:30 here in Minneapolis, and this will be the sun is shining, but it'll be an even better day when I put my glittery Laura banner up somewhere in my little area today. Thank you so much, you guys, for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, as I know I'm going to. And stop by, leave a comment, subscribe, click the button, and stop over at Anna's channel. I'll leave the information in the link below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.